All right, so I am going to do another quick video for S.7 slope intercept form. We're going to be graphing an equation. All right, excuse me. Some of the students struggled with this. There's two key ideas. You're going to use what happened? Hold on. Let's see what happened. I need to go back. There's two key ideas. You have to use the slope and you have to use the y-intercept. Always start with the y-intercept. They've given you the y-intercept. Start there and then use the slope to find another point. So let me just do a couple examples to try to make this clear. All right, so here, first one is we got y equals a negative 1 over 6x plus 5. The slope is a negative 1 over 6. The y-intercept is 5. So you always start by going to the y-axis because it's the y-intercept, and you're going to put your first point there. So I'm going to go, and this is 5, a positive 5, so I'm going to start there. Now, I need to find another point, and I'm going to use the slope. The slope is a negative 1 over 6, so I'm going to rise 1, a negative 1, and I'm going to run 6. So I'm going to go down 1, and then I'm going to run 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I would put my point here, and then I would use my ruler to try to make this as as straight as, whoops, that's not very good, right? And then I would submit it. But you don't have to do this because you have the feature of the app. So I'm going to start here. That's my first point, and then I'm going to go down 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to be right here for my second point. So that's what my line should look like. Once I've got those 2 points, I just submit it. Boom. All right, let's do another one. All right, this one, the y-intercept is 9, so I'm going to start at 9. And then the slope is a negative 1 over 10. So I'm going to go down 1. I'm going to rise a negative 1. And then I'm going to run a positive 10. So I'm going to go down to 8. And then I'm going to go over 10. And I'm going to work out here. So, let me be more clear. So I just want to show you what I'm doing. I'm going down 1. And then I'm running 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's my second point. And then it'll draw a line. And that's what I'm doing. So let me delete this. And let me submit it. Now, I'm going to jump to see what happens. Are there any? All right. So basically, that's it. Now, if they give you just a regular integer, make it in. If the slope is just an integer, make it into a fraction. All right, so let me show you what I mean. So for this one, the y-intercept is a positive 2, and the slope is a negative 5. So the way that I would make that into a fraction, I would just go a negative 5 divided by 1. So that means I'm going to go down 5, I'm going to rise a negative 5, and then I'm going to run 1. So I'm going to go down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to go over 1. Again, I want to make that more explicit, so I'll take a picture and I'll show you how I counted it. I started here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I went down 5, and then I went over a plus 1, so that is the slope. And a negative 5 can be written this way, so that's what you do. And then you just submit it, and that's it. So again, if you understand what you're doing, it should take you about less than 10 minutes to do this. All right, that's it, guys.